Hey there, here's our super quick tutorial on changing out the lenses in your Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer frame. It's really nice and easy. All you need to do is be pushing from the back to the front of the frame with essentially a rolling motion in your hand. I'm going to do that in both hands, holding at the top and bottom sides of the frame, and just roll nice and easily like that, and the lens pops out. It's super simple. I'll just show you again with the other one. I'm just going to roll my hand through it, and nice and easily like that, the lens comes out. Now, if you want to pop these lenses back in, or if you're swapping your lenses out, you'll need to do basically the opposite. We're going to line up the lens alongside the front of the frame. So this time we're going from the front backwards in, and start by lining it up in this little corner here. Nice and easy way is just to try and get that along here in that line. And then in this right hand corner closest to the nose, I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure along the line until that all fits in. And then I'm going to squeeze down on this other corner away from the nose, just down here, to make sure that it's in as well. And then I'm going to apply a bit of pressure, and as I move pressure down towards this bottom corner here, that just snaps in nice and easily. I'll just show you that again with the other lens here. Again, on the corner closest to these cameras, I'm going to just line that up there and then press a little bit so it's in along the line here. Now I'm going to hold that steady with one hand whilst I go and press along that side, and look, just so easily that's also clicked in there.